eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kubatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo eyo korose chirangi meyense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi echo boyigo chire chichi brand ao echo chire chingi ya kerage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil na boyigo chiriya chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire cheri guririke iriya gatigati wekarigori lyabantabati boyigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo bwochoganya chirangi wikabunuragani bwochoganire erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutarire rero eri bwenyorere abamanyi aboyigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero otumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eywerangene eduka ya Safaricom Mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Emarogo berengia omwanchi omurigerio Getembe Television no kwegena kwani buna no gentreta kuyechengera emerobere yansi ya Getembe Television kurwa Ketemba kaboniga netunde yandi akabere na irande Ekeonga e weekend ncheni gonkoro kwa Ruth Morara Omo women rep Machakos County Omo Subati Joyce Kamene niga ruro koboria gochiasa eserikali nene kubwato kachibesa elio ti county chinyale konyoro obokorerie obuya.
No way the counties will work without resources. There is no way things will move smoothly in our counties, and will not expect any work to be done without this capitation being released. We are asking, and I'm glad that by the end of next week we'll be going back to Parliament so that we can push and also inquire from Treasury what is taking so long.
Omugavana we county ya Marsabit Omoske Mohamud Ali nigaruro kubole gutia sabasae bagendere kwelikia nebibande buno muraibu ensarwe to eirabuna bago chikwelikia bosa bagendere kwelikia
vijana ambao wanatoka sehemu kame, vijana wa Northern Kenya wote, na wahimiza mchukue nafasi hiyo na kila mmoja achukue kitambulisho. Ndio wakati kura ikifika, sote tuwe na nafasi ya kushirikiana na wengine katika kuchagua viongozi katika Kenya. Hii hali ya kubagua sisi tunashukuru rais wetu kwa hilo jambo la busara, kuhakikisha ya kwamba Kenya ni moja na watu wetu wote wapate haki sawa. Kuna gavana rafiki yangu moja, gavana mwenzangu anaitwa Natembea, na asikie popote aliko ya kwamba ati alitaja jamii chache kwamba ati wakipata nafasi ya kuchukua vitambulisho ati watatoka kila sehemu na watakuwa wengi zaidi. Na mimi namueleza kwanza, he must get his facts right. He singled out the Morara community from Marsabit ati ya kwamba majority come from Ethiopia, which is a fact, we don't deny. But we have enough numbers here in Kenya, we don't need Ethiopians. And by the way, in Marsabit we have 14 communities, and not less than 5 communities reside both in Kenya and in Ethiopia. So for him to single out Morara community, he needs to get his facts right. And I want to tell him that it is not only Morara who come from both Kenya and Ethiopia. Na hiyo maneno sisi katika jamii ya Marsabit hatujali kama ni Rendile, kama ni Gurji, kama ni Gabra, kama ni Kani, kama ni Konso, kama ni Kidano, kama ni jamii gani. Sisi ni watu mmoja, sisi tunakaa pamoja kwa amani, na hatutaki watu kutaja maneno ya hapa kuleta
Omo gavana abwe county ya Narok Moske Patrick Orentutu oruro koboria gotiase kegambero koimoke getambokero gokoro boncholiria asobo chori chinga kibago chora aba MC abachore banyare gochora aba MC kurwa kirumo MC mochore kurwa se county ya Ruete.
Ni kuomba vyama vyetu vya siasa hasa wakienda kufanya nomination, hatujali ni kabila gani unataka kupea nomination, bora tu huyo mtu ametoka Narok ama ametoka Nakuru ama ametoka Kisumu, mpee mtu ambaye ametoka katika kaunti hiyo. Na nafikiri tumeamua kama governors, ikiwa mtu amechaguliwa na amewekwa Kenya Gazette na atoki kaunti yako, hakuna kuhapishwa. Tutaenda kotini immediately na tuambie speaker asihapishe mpaka hiyo chama iende ichague mtu ambaye anatoka hiyo kaunti. Tunatoa wito kwa wabunge waende wabadilishe hiyo sheria ya kwamba lazima kama nominated MCAs lazima wapewe hiyo kaunti ambayo imetoka.
Wamama wenzangu, ninawahakikishia kwamba tukishikana tutafanya kazi. Nimewaonyesha ya kwamba tukinyang'anywa tunaweza. Usijiangalie uko kadogo, uko kafupi, uko kakonde. Kuna Mungu. Wewe tia bidii naye Mungu ataonekana. Usijione wewe ni mama. Saa hii tuko na gavana wangapi wa mama? Ingawaje walimwaga mmoja juzi, lakini ukifanya tabia mbaya utabwagwa.
Tunatuma ujumbe kwa wale ambao wanataka kufanyia jamii ya Wamasai wenye wamefanyia huyu kwamba hiyo mchezo mnafanyanga hatutakubali tena. Mimi nimeenda mpaka Supreme Court kwa hii kiti. Kuanzia Magistrate Court, tukaenda High Court, Court of Appeal, wakaenda Supreme, yote nikashinda.
Atoko kolera Anthony Gobabo kogendera gosimekemete eligwikirania eganga y'umwaka w'ekiri 2032 buna chinga ki omurubuli gosimekemete ogenderete ali Nyamira.
food or fruit trees, which are the avocados, roquats, and even pawpaws. Those are trees, but they provide fruits, which is a source of vitamins for the helping our people. We can plant fodder trees for our animals. We can plant agroforest trees along the farm, which enables our soil to be protected from erosion, which is being caused by different agents, that's water and wind. But when we plant these trees, they can protect our farms from all types of erosion. At the same time, they provide some shade for our crops. So we plant the indigenous along the riverine and the bamboo. We eliminate the issue of eucalyptus planting along the water sources. We can be able to have our water conserved and in good quality and quantity.
Change the life that we are living today, bring the element of food security, and also we are so saying that we are celebrating it by reaching out to our communities through charitable activities. And of course, we are also mentioning about blood safety and encouraging blood donation in our respective counties.
No mwali Ekeonga weekend njeni gwankoro kwa Ruth Morara tumera nechinga kichinde na kuganiryo botegereryo bya asemero bulegendereta sembeo.
Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills eyukuya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati ande umsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo enkale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokie riso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati yiga ntobwate team tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cyo tebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao unamono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibego babwate Dumarang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati ali aye chigage emerongibire na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate yigani kabwate chikala bunabone lia charcoal gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na boigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate yiga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwate yiga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase ou MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabwate yu akomenya sigika ayo uchane warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyumu chuyigo busongo eyuerangene duka ya Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Sha Ceramics ni gubago kwa a special offer. Bunno iga